Welcome to the Health, Balance, and Wellness channel, your oasis of peace. Today, we're talking about breakfast that can help reduce creatinine levels and protect your kidneys. Have you noticed that your creatinine levels continue to rise despite carefully following your doctor's recommended diet? You might be surprised to learn that breakfast, the meal you think is harmless, can be one of the things preventing your kidneys from improving. In fact, there are combinations of morning foods that can promote cleansing the body, helping to naturally eliminate excess creatinine and support kidney function. Many university studies have shown that certain specific nutrients, if absent from the diet, silently and progressively accelerate kidney deterioration. Conversely, incorporating certain breakfasts into your daily routine can reduce creatinine levels by up to 10% and improve the efficiency of renal filters. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you to like the video to support our work. But let's get back to the video. Breakfast number 1, whole oats and berries. The recommended breakfast is a simple yet powerful classic, steel-cut oats with fresh berries. This combination acts like a natural magnet, helping the body rid itself of toxins. The secret lies in the soluble fiber in whole oats, which binds to creatinine and other intestinal waste, promoting their elimination without overloading the kidneys. Research conducted by Dr. Salmeen has shown that those who consume high-fiber meals, such as whole oats, can reduce blood creatinine and improve the kidney's filtration capacity. Furthermore, berries like blueberries and strawberries are a treasure trove of anthocyanins, antioxidants that combat inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Another benefit of oats is their ability to maintain stable blood sugar levels, thanks to their low glycemic index, about 55. This prevents blood sugar spikes that stress the kidneys, which are already busy filtering waste. Making this breakfast is easy. Half a cup of oats cooked in water, with half a cup of berries and a pinch of cinnamon to enhance the anti-inflammatory effect. It's important to choose whole oats rather than instant ones, because only the less processed version retains the fiber needed by the kidneys. Avoid sugar and honey, which would cancel out the glycemic benefits of the dish. Breakfast number 2, scrambled egg whites and colorful peppers. The second kidney-friendly morning meal consists of egg whites cooked with red and yellow bell peppers. It's a dish rich in clean proteins, meaning they're free of substances that burden the kidneys. Egg whites contain high-quality protein with all the essential amino acids, but only minimal traces of phosphorus, an element whose excess can damage the kidneys. In contrast, egg yolks contain a lot of phosphorus, which is why those with high creatinine levels should limit their consumption. Nutritionists recommend egg whites as the ideal source of protein for those who need to monitor creatinine levels. They provide the nutrients necessary for cell regeneration without introducing difficult-to-filter minerals. Bell peppers, on the other hand, add color and a strong dose of vitamin C and carotenoids, two substances that protect renal capillaries from free radicals and improve microcirculation. To prepare this breakfast, simply whisk 3 or 4 egg whites and cook them in a non-stick pan with a drizzle of olive oil, adding the diced bell peppers at the last minute to preserve their vitamins. Avoid salt, butter, or cheese. The sodium and phosphorus in dairy products worsen water retention and put a strain on the kidneys. This breakfast provides steady energy for hours, helps maintain blood sugar levels, and reduces inflammation that damages the glomeruli, the tiny filtering units in the kidneys. Every morning becomes an opportunity to choose whether to fuel inflammation or promote healing. Breakfast number 3, smoothie with almond milk, blueberries, and chia seeds. The third option is a deep-acting detox smoothie that helps regenerate kidney tissue. Unsweetened almond milk, fresh blueberries, and chia seeds. Almond milk is an excellent alternative to dairy products, as it has very low levels of potassium and phosphorus, minerals that can build up in the blood when the kidneys aren't functioning properly. Blueberries, a staple at breakfast, once again provide anthocyanins, powerful allies in the fight against free radicals and inflammation. Chia seeds round out the picture with plant-based omega-3s and fiber. These fatty acids reduce swelling and improve blood flow to the kidneys, while fiber helps expel toxins through the intestines, easing the burden on the kidneys. A University of California study showed that those who regularly consume omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds experience a reduction in inflammatory markers and improved kidney function in about 8 weeks. Making this smoothie is easy. Simply blend a cup of almond milk, half a cup of blueberries, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Avoid sweeteners and honey, which would raise blood sugar levels. Drink it 2 or 3 times a week, preferably in the morning, to give your kidneys a concentration of regenerating nutrients. The importance of hydration. Besides breakfast, there's an often overlooked factor that can make creatinine levels appear higher than they actually are: dehydration. Drinking too little water concentrates creatinine in the blood and reduces the kidney's ability to excrete it. Even those who follow the perfect diet can achieve poor results if they don't stay sufficiently hydrated. To support your kidneys, it's recommended to drink about half a liter of water half an hour before breakfast. Water promotes nutrient absorption and improves the transport of beneficial substances to the kidneys. It's a good idea to drink regularly throughout the day, preferably between meals rather than during meals, so as not to dilute digestive enzymes. The color of your urine is an excellent indicator. A light yellow indicates adequate hydration, while a darker color indicates you need more water. The goal is to get to 8 to 10 glasses a day, spread out throughout the day. Foods to avoid for breakfast. Some foods, considered healthy or common, can actually damage the kidneys and raise creatinine levels. These include processed meats such as bacon, sausages, and packaged hams, which are high in nitrates and added phosphorus, which inflame the renal vessels. Refined breakfast cereals also contain sugars and additives that cause blood sugar spikes, oxidative stress, and increased inflammation. You should also be careful with potassium-rich fruits, such as bananas and oranges. If the kidneys can't eliminate excess minerals, heart problems and worsening kidney function can occur. The same goes for processed fruit juices. Their lack of fiber and high sugar content make them unsuitable for those seeking kidney protection. Finally, breakfasts at bars or restaurants that combine processed meats, refined grains, and sugary juices represent a perfect storm for kidney health. To achieve lasting results, it is useful to alternate these 3 breakfasts throughout the week. Monday, oats and berries to start the week with cleansing fiber and antioxidants. Wednesday, egg whites and bell peppers for a clean protein intake that supports kidney tissue. Friday, almond, blueberry, and chia smoothie to reduce inflammation and promote cell repair. On the days between, you can choose light alternatives such as natural Greek yogurt with low-potassium berries or a slice of whole wheat bread with sugar-free almond spread. Always remember to drink water before every breakfast and stay hydrated. Results aren't immediate, but consistency pays off. Within weeks, many report increased energy, better sleep, and a feeling of lightness, signs that their kidneys are regaining efficiency. Conclusion: the path to kidney healing begins with seemingly simple daily choices. Every morning, what you put on your plate can fuel inflammation or promote regeneration. With these 3 breakfasts, proper hydration, and the elimination of harmful foods, you can help your body naturally reduce creatinine and protect one of your most precious organs, your kidneys. Take care of them day after day. The results will come with consistency and the knowledge that even breakfast can become a real medicine for your health. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. If you have any questions, please contact your doctor. If you like our videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. See you in the next video.